Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risnu Awalanu. In this time, I would like to presentation in front of you all about global warming. Global warming is a problem that the world has not been able to solve for a long time. Global warming is getting worse day by day. There are several environmental issues increasing as the impacts of global warming. In this time, I would like to uh, present to you about 4 points. The first point is about the greenhouse effect. The second point about the impact of global warming. The third point is the ways to lessen global warming. And the fourth is the conclusion the from the topic. So first is greenhouse effect. You can see the picture. Greenhouse effect is caused because the greenhouse gases carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, methane, nitrous oxides. Our daily activities are generating the greenhouse effects. Those greenhouse effects are being collected in the atmosphere, then it forms a cover for Earth which absorbs the sun rays. The absorbed heat remains in the lower circle of biosphere, so it increases the temperature level. The more greenhouse gases trapped in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped. And then we go to second point is the impact of global warming. So what is the impact of global warming? There are some impact from global warming. That is, the glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, cloud forests are dying, and wildlife is scrambling to keep pace. Global warming is not only harmful for humans, but also flora and fauna. Global warming causes acid rain, which is very destructive. Burn the forest life, and it wipes out the whole forest and its living. Meanwhile, the temperature rise affects agricultural crops, forests, marine life, and any other. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the third point. That is the ways to lessen global warming. There are three ways to lessen global warming: that reduce, reuse, and recycle. So what is reduce? Reduce refers to the waste. As a smart generation, we should lessen the usage of plastic, styrofoam, and any other industrial packaging because it donates into greenhouse effect. The second one is reuse. We can change our habits positively by choosing the reusable product instead of the disposable ones. And the last one is recycle, which means that we need to recycle things that are recyclable, such as newspaper, glasses, aluminum cans, etc. The experts state that we can save approximately 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide emission every year if we start to recycle half of the household waste. So this is the picture from that way: reduce, reuse, and recycle. And last, we move to the conclusion. So the conclusion from my topic is eliminating the global warming effects may seem impossible, but if we do it together, I'm sure it will reap the fruit. As a student, we have learned so much that global warming is a serious matter and it's threatening the human race. Global warming cannot be taken lightly because it will have an impact on future generations who will who will feel the bad impact from global warming. So let us save the world from from more greenhouse gases. Do it now and do it from the small things, such as is implementing the 3R way, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Of life, save the electricity by turning the light off while sleeping, turn on the air conditioner wisely, and try to lessen the harmful gas emission. The way to lessen the harmful gas emission can be done by minimize driving a car, riding motorcycle, or any other transportation means. By lessening the frequency to ride transportation means, we can save the world and we can be healthy too. Those small things will be of big matter if we do it together. That is all from me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.